Hello pretty dolls, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing my top tips on how to give yourself a spa like foot care treatment at home. Let's get those feet feeling soft and looking fabulous. So welcome back to my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. So this is after my foot care that I want to show you. My feet are so happy on those open shoes and they are looking good and I'm happy. So welcome back. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share and you comment. So welcome. Let's start the video. So this is what I'm using to soak my feet. Those are olive pills for vitamin C and just for the decoration of the soak. Then body wash. Then I've added salt, that is normal salt that we use in the kitchen. You can use Epsom salt, sea salt, any salt that you have. Then I'm adding baking soda ash. So that is what I'm going to use. And then there is some water, of course, which is warm water. The reason why soaking is very important: one, it helps in softening of the skin, that is dead skin, making it easier to exfoliate and to just remove that dead skin cells, and then it is super relaxing. Next, I'm going to go in with the foot file to gently exfoliate the rough skin on the heels and the toes. That is generally the lower side of the feet. So exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells. Then it helps in the smoothing of the skin underneath. So just be gentle as you exfoliate your skin. Don't overdo it. If you feel like your skin is a bit sensitive or you're feeling some pain, please don't do it, or just be gentle with yourself. So remove that dead skin. By the way, this dead skin is the one that helps rinse to the cracking of the heels if you don't do it. So if it builds up for a very long period of time, those dead skins finally cracks, and it also makes the feet to be rough. Yeah, so you tear in your bed sheet, all that, because of the dead skin. So if you are able to remove that dead skin, it means that your feet are always going to be clean. They are always going to be soft. So please do that. If you can, please do that. Exfoliate the skin, remove that dead skin. At this point, this is how the feet looks like. They already feel so soft, and as you can see, they are clean. But I'm not yet done. I'm so extra, and therefore I have to now scrub off. Now scrubbing the feet just to remove the dead skin and to smoothen the skin. Scrubbing also helps in the improving the circulation of the blood, and therefore it means that the feet are going to feel relaxed. Just ensure that you are moving in gentle circular motions, and don't forget the top part of the feet. Just ensure that you are also very gentle with yourself so that you don't harm yourself, and also don't over scrub your skin, because girl, we need to take care of that skin, not harming it. So please just ensure that you are moving in a gentle circular motion, and don't forget the top, or don't over scrub. So this is to smoothen the skin and to remove dead skin, and especially on the top part. So this scrub that I'm using, it's a homemade scrub. It has vitamin C. I've used sugar, then it has olive oil, castor oil, and then other ingredient. I think I should do this video. I'm forgetting other ingredient, but it is a super good scrub, body scrub. I normally used to scrub my body also, apart from my feet. So I really love it, and like you can see, it looks so good, and it is very smooth and gentle on the feet. So guys, at this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. For those who always comment on my YouTube channel, they engages with my content. I really appreciate the liking, the commenting, all that. I really appreciate. So thank you so much, and I'm hoping that these videos are changing your life. They are changing your feet history. They are changing the way your feet looks like. At this point, you should at least be able to take care of your feet, or just do pedicure for yourself. So that's all. I'm already scrubbed, so I rinsed these off using the water that I was using. The water wasn't that dirty, so I was using it still, and I was loving the water. It's kind of so comforting. Like I've said, it helps in relaxing. So this is, it's mind blowing as I do this, and I love it here. Yeah, so after rinsing, now I want to remove or to shave the toenail hair to keep the toenails looking neat and clean. So that is what I'm using. I'm using an eyebrow shaper. That is what I'm using to remove the hair. And guys, let's say that the nail art, can you see that nail art? I think I nailed with this one. I don't even feel like removing it, but we have to move on. Maybe I'm going to redo it, the same color, the same design. Remember, I'm learning about doing nail art, and the way this one came out, I really love that. Comment down below and let me know, how do you think, what do you think of this kind of a nail art? Do you love it? Because for me, I'm over the moon. Then after that, guys, I want to clean the nails. I'm using a toothbrush to get rid of dirt and maybe any bacteria or dead skin that may be allowed the nails. That is what I'm using. I love a toothbrush because one, it is gentle. Two, it is able to get in between the nails and the skin, that kind of, it's a crack, or what is it called, that area between the nails and the skin. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, so it gets in there and it is able to remove the dirt. So that is one of the reasons why I love it. And two, it is very gentle, like very gentle. It can't harm you, or you can't feel anything. And from there, I rinse with clean water and I'm done. So I'm going to dry the feet and even in between the toenails and the nails, because we don't want infections. And finally, we are going to moisturize. I'm using Ballet baby cream. That is what I'm using to moisturize my feet. And if there is something that I love about foot care, it's now moisturizing those feet, because already they are soft. So as you massage them, they just feel good, and they just, everything feels good and in order and beautiful. All that is one of the reasons why I love that. So finally, can you look at that, guys? I know you'd want this for yourself, so why can't you try this DIY at home? Now, you can do this foot care routine about once a week or twice a week, and don't over exfoliate. So finally, this is how I look. That's all, bestie, for now. I think your feet by now look smooth and clean if you are doing this with me. I hope you loved this video. Please make sure that you subscribe